Ares boss base. Let's clear one out. But before we do, let's start electric. Make it easy. All right, pretty simple. We're going to bring in a couple of controllers, a couple of devoutes. All right, let's take out the tower. 4 controllers, 10 devoutes will clear the base. Let's go to the next one. Just going to work our way around. Then we're going to empty the base. Pretty simple. Not hard. Yes, even you can do it. Controllers are slow as molasses, so let them get in position. All right, take it out. Got to watch out for him, so we'll clean him out in a minute. Let's go around and take out the next one. We'll end up getting about 30 seconds of damage or less, usually. Just take your time, slowly work your way around. Pretty easy to kill. All right, got rid of that. Let's get rid of this guy. Gone. Let's go down and do the last corner. Then we're going to bring in one distraction and we're going to kill him. And yes, even you can do it. All right, here's where we get a little damage. You know, we're going to do it differently this time. We're not going to use, I usually use controllers, but honestly, these guys take less damage. All right, retreat them. Now, send in all right, there we go. Let him fly through a couple of times and bring all of his troops down here. These guys are going to distract the Ares. One more fly through and we're done. What do we got for time? Oh, we got lots of time. We're just going to get a bunch of these guys on here. They will distract. While they distract, okay, that's enough. Let's drop a few more troops. Drop some troops. Drop some troops. All right, deselect them. Get them all down here. And while he's killing them, we'll kill these guys. It'll take 5 seconds. All right. Now we will take... This will bring him out. Okay, now we'll kill him. That's it. So, think you can do it? I know you can. And it's almost no damage. The Ares tune, as you can see, I've got 8 controllers and Atom. No damage. $53 seconds of damage. Think you can handle it? So I've got 4 controllers and 10 devout. And then the Ares tuned, I've got Atom, and I've got 8. And then for air, we are using, he's not there, right there. Elite Siege Squadron. Elite. Why haven't I made that? Oh yeah, Omega. So he's Omega. That's it.